Secret $100,000 hack. Navy Federal Pledge Loan. Step-by-step guide. Introduction. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the easiest ways to boost your credit score and thicken your credit profile, the Navy Federal Pledge Loan. I'll guide you step by step on how to get one and how to use it to your advantage. Stick around until the end for the hack that everyone, including myself, is using to maximize their credit growth. Grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. What is a Navy Federal Pledge Loan? The Navy Federal Pledge Loan is a unique financial product that can help boost your credit score. It's an installment loan backed by your own savings, essentially acting like a secured savings loan. Unlike other loans that use the bank's money, this loan uses your funds as collateral. The minimum loan amount is $250, and it can go all the way up to $100,000, depending on your financial capacity. Why use a pledge loan? Using a pledge loan is beneficial because it boosts your credit profile by enhancing your payment history and diversifying your credit mix. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, while your credit mix contributes 10%. Together, that's 45% of your credit score positively impacted by just having this loan on your profile. Plus, it shows lenders you're financially responsible when they review your credit report. How to get a Navy Federal Pledge Loan. 1. Become a member. You must be a member of Navy Federal Credit Union to access this product. 2. Transfer funds. Deposit the amount you want to convert into a pledge loan into your savings account. Let's say you want to start with $500, simply move this from your checking to savings. 3. Apply for the loan. Visit a Navy Federal branch or call their customer service. You'll specify the amount you wish to pledge. No hard credit checks are involved, just a soft pull that won't impact your credit score. 4. Approval and signing. Once approved, sign the electronic documents via the app. Navy Federal will temporarily freeze the funds in your savings account but will release them back to you within 24 to 48 hours. The pledge loan hack. The big hack everyone's using? Pay off 80 to 90% of your loan immediately. For example, if you take out a $20,000 pledge loan, pay down $18,000 before it hits your credit report. This will reflect positively, showing lenders you have a substantial loan almost fully paid off, which can significantly boost your profile. Conclusion. As you can see, the Navy Federal Pledge Loan is a must-have tool for anyone looking to build or improve their credit. You can rinse and repeat this process to add multiple pledge loans to your profile, making your credit look even stronger. I hope you found this guide helpful. Go get your Navy Federal Pledge Loan today and start boosting your credit score. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.